I'm Peppa Pig. It's my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. It was a lovely sunny day and Peppa and George are having a picnic. Here's some emojis for you, Teddy. What do you say? Thank you very much, Peppa. You're very welcome, Teddy. Here's some emojis for you, Mr. Dinosaur. And what do you say? Grrr. You're very welcome, Mr. Dinosaur. What's Teddy and Mr. Dinosaur? Like a cookie? I'm not very hungry, so Peppa and George can eat all the cookies. Thank you, Teddy. What was that strange noise? Peppa! George! Quick! Come inside the house! Mummy! There's a loud bang sound! It's thunder, Peppa. That means there'll be a thunderstorm with lots of rain. Quick! Into the house before the rain starts! No need to panic. The rain is still a long way off. The sky is getting darker and darker. There's going to be a thunderstorm. Peppa, George, do you bring all your toys in from the garden? Dinosaur! Grrr! Good, but the dinosaur is safe. Teddy! I left Teddy in the garden! He'll get wet! Don't worry, Peppa, I'll get Teddy. You better hurry, Daddy. It's just about to rain. I know all about thunderstorms. It won't rain for ages. As I thought, plenty of time before it rains. Poor Teddy, he's soaking wet. Yeah, poor Teddy. Look at him dry. Poor Teddy. There you are, Teddy. All dried. Ah! Choo! What's about poor Daddy? I'm soaking wet too. Oh, I'm sorry, Daddy Pig. Let's get you dried. There you are, Daddy Pig. Nice and dry. Oh! The rain coming into the house. The floor's getting wet. Oh dear, what can we do, Daddy Pig? Don't worry. Daddy Pig using a lot of buckets to catch the drips. Well done, Daddy Pig. Easy pie. Oh! Quick! Find something else to catch the water. Well done, Peppa. Easy pie. Daddy, the thunderbangs are very loud. It's okay, children, don't be frightened. Let's count for each flash and bang. The higher we count, the further this thunderstorm is. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. The thunderstorm is going away. The thunderstorm is over. Hooray! The garden left a thunderstorm with muddy puddles. Peppa and George love muddy puddles. I love thunderstorms. They make muddy puddles. Bish, bash, bosh, splish.